Hi, Dobby the Fixing Elf here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to change the wiper blades on this 2011 Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. So we're starting on the passenger side here, and the first thing to do is lift up the window wiper that's off the windscreen. So to remove the window wiper blade on this, all you have to do is squeeze the tabs at the bottom and pull up on the wiper blade. These quite often break off, as you see this one did here, so then it's simply a matter of pulling it off. I'm going to be replacing this with some Bosch blades, so they simply slide back into place. Just make sure when you're putting these back on, you hear the click. So now on the driver's side, it's the same process as on the passenger side, so I won't explain how to do it again. There's some close-ups as well in this footage. But I always wanted to talk a bit about why I decided to make this video, and the main reason is I found out that a local store was charging £18 to change wiper blades on a car, and I think that's ridiculous, so I thought I'd just show you all how to do it, show you how quick and simple it is. It's definitely not worth £18. As I said earlier, I was also using Bosch blades. These are the ones that come standard on the car, and they fit really easy. But you can also get some universal blades, which next time I need to change blades I'll get a set and I'll make a video on how to fit universal blades. Now at the back of the car. If you've seen my previous video on changing the rear washers yet, you'll know that this window wiper was damaged by a monkey. So to remove it, all we have to do is lift the arm up, twist the blade a bit, and you'll see it pop straight out. Refitting is exactly the same process but in reverse. It doesn't take very long, about 5 seconds. Now here's just some test footage of it making sure it all works and it doesn't fly off. And I hope this video is showing you just how easy it is to change wiper blades. They're quite simple and quick to change, and it's easy maintenance to do on your own car. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback? Let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.